OK Furniture's big brand sale is still on, and you can stand a chance of winning one of 15 Toyota Vitz cars when you buy any participating brands by the 26th of May 2024. This includes Defy, Samsung, Sony, KIC, Hisense, and so much more brands at the lowest prices guaranteed. Shop our latest catalogs online or in store today to win big. Prices valid until the 12th of May 2024. T's and C's apply. It is continued by World Sports Betting. It is good times. CO.za. It is Amazon 1, Kaiser Chiefs 1, DSTV Premiership on a Sunday evening. Juna Kanyawa, analyst, what to make of the game, sir?
Enkululeko maprata kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Ngibulisele ngwenye. Justice.
Just.
Justice ya. Ngibulisa uJustice, ngibulisa Benedict Sovila kahle.
So.
Legendary. Ngibulise mntana ka Maitarola.
Machakalaka.
Barnabas Lekhanyana. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting it is KTV fighting in one try to fix South African football. Yeah, I think the game deserve it wrong kuleko.
1-1 is good enough.
Yeah, unosithebe. Ngikhuluma undemidlilo unosithebe, unomthethwa. I'm not too sure ukuthi baphethe bani. I think if not mistaken bekumuntu
Yeah, Shabalala is supposed to somehow be in the diamond.
We should in front of these two.
Yeah, even though
came to credit to the boy uzamile namhlanje.
he was moving a lot.
Yeah, I give him credit. KumaZulu no Ben Mutswari, unomopara Moise center back, unongema. So it's
And
more or less the
X-Teen
same.
as well. Yeah, it was similar.
Yeah. So ngikhuluma ngasemidlalo. So game you win when you've got the best midfielders. Kusho ukuthi noma ungaya around the world, if you've got best midfielders, you will win games. Noma ngaba abantu abaphambili abayi3, they are not that clever. Those clever, they are not that clever. But these three in the middle, if akwazi ukuthi babe clever, smart enough to get those three, also ukuthi baranele kuma dangerous position, ku easy ukuthi uwin game ngabo nje in the middle. So going to the game, I think Kaizer Chiefs ithole a very easy goal from Amazulu.
It was a freebie.
Yeah, ungayeke uthi midfield uyayibona i-defense streshile omunye more of la ku-box kukhona i-box leli elikhulu esayidini emungu two center back on the right omunye on the left ungeme ulanda ibhola next to that right back, you got the ball and then udlala square. Mawudlala it's more or less ifana ne-back pass, ubheke ibhola lakhona liko firm. The breeze, good reaction from him, putting on amehlo ebholweni, and good first touch and good finish as well. I think into kumele umfana azi-check ukuthi yabona lela goal. I think mangabheka a-check ama-game wakhe going forward. You need to learn ukuthi lapho benje simple. First touch was good finish as well. Akacomplicate-anga izinto. And then from there, because the Chiefs, there was no game management, not much of creating chances. Yes, but Toli Lama shot on target from the goalkeeper, but not clear-cut chances. Ama shot bagute. You can't tell. Ama goal kunguti basamukora bagute. I'm trying to say that. Ukuthi babe behind the defense Amazulu. Not clear-cut chances because of these midfielders. You had to put a modi. Ube ne chance 3v2. If not mistaken, uphuma ubhekana na this guy aqeda ungena uGumede. This guy akawumapanga uGumede. It was half of a chance, but akekho beyangazi la ishoot ukuthi uzoshaya step over. I mean ubheka uGumede.
Yeah, Machaka told me first ukuthi he's going to do a step over.
And then wafola njengentwana enqane.
Yeah.
I chance le if ukhathe in a change direction bekana ama chance ayi2 oyibuyela la buya khona bekazowa obvious uGumede akawumapanga ubuye benchini. So if unama wing forward right and left anjengalawa mhlawumbe uthi please ngapha ka right uyambona mobile. Lo ngapha ka left is keep on playing, bamnikile i-chance uthi ukhulumela inye igama uqinisile ayikho iplay linika i-chance ku-Kaizer Chiefs njengomodi. And what is he offering? Is he creating? Is he scoring goals? So ngibona udlala azayiqeda igame.
I said they bought the wrong player ku-Golden Arrows.
Yes, right.
Bashiya uNduduzo sibiya ku-Golden
Yo,
Arrows.
yeah, that's
Kuhanjwa
yeah.
nge-hype yokuthi umodi.
And
That's because they don't watch football.
in West Part, look at the age.
Yeah.
So kule game ungayithatha kancane leya chance. It was a half of a chance because bebayi2. There was Mabara and Felix. So if udlula lapha or you can score or pass somebody to score, lack of creativity angeke udlale ku-Chiefs unganayo leyo nto especially ukudila ne-1v1. Enye into engiyibone ngabo bafailile ukuthi nje mangithi kuwe ukuthi ba manage game. Ngikhuluma ngase middle. These two midfielders mawunawo uSithebe nomthetho, you've got 2 centre back. Ufana nokuthi una 2 centre back,
There's no forward pass.
they will never play forward pass, and they will go bazopepa bazoba lapho kuleya back 4. Uyazi batheka ngama wing back bayoprotecta leya back 4. Uyayenza umkwena pa joining, uyayiprotect back 3 yakhe pa joining. Ngikhuluma ngo lo i-contender mental of the
He is
season.
the best at that position for the past 2 years in South Africa.
Yeah, why?
Because he helps the defender defending,
Yeah.
and he also pushes the ball. He finds himself in the box. He's a goal-scoring option when it comes to those long-range shots, and he can pass the ball. He can chip it, find the
Right.
striker one-on-one.
Yes.
He's the best at playing the
In
position.
terms of passing,
Yeah.
i-30-meter pass yahamba phansi, finding
Because
la
it's
pockets.
defending, it's passing, it's shooting. He has all of those elements, no vision, being able to see people running in front of him.
Also link i-defense ne-attack.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ngiyalanda, ngiyophuma kule situation, if there's a hole, I push the ball. So uma unama midfielder asaba push ibhola kune hole, ukuthi I'm going there, ngifuna lesa space behind. Which these two kufana ukuthi unama center back. Ngoba badlala njengoNjabulo Ngcobo, one of the best defender for me Chiefs nayo ukuthi udlale bengisatshela utho. This guy ukuthi ufike ku-Chiefs that doesn't have players. Low center back for me mina ngiyamthanda lo Mjida. Is very comfortable, ukwazi ukuread i-game kamnandi, akusi good tackler but uyakwazi ukuread i-game. So these two bekufana ukuthi -2. I-defense bokwazi ukuthi ngeke ku-attack.
Let me take you to 2 talking points. Mobara, there's a valid case for him to get a second yellow card. Although I didn't agree with his first yellow, but he's already on the first yellow. And you called it as well, Uguti. When he missed the moment to give him a second yellow, it was supposed to be a red card. And you were saying they just need to substitute him. And they did exactly that. A second talking point, which is very important, Yamazulu. It's obviously it's clearly offside slightly, but it is offside, and it's also there's nothing that's blocking the view. Linesman Ulitswalo is offside as well. So those 2 things could have meant Chiefs maybe win the game 1-0. They're playing against 10 men as well. Let's talk about that.
It's a red card. Eyokuqala ureferee nami I don't think bekumele amnike yellow card. But for the fact ukuthi besenze
Yeah, he already gave the yellow card.
let's to tackle from behind.
Yeah,
Akusu-
stopping an attack as well.
ngoba yena usukile lapha central, it's a yellow card, second yellow card, red card bekumele awokhe nje, but icoach ibonile ukuthi ube nelucky ukuthi angaphumi, and then ngiyamkhipha immediate because after that situation kube ne set piece by Shire. I'm not sure ukuthi ube goal kick or what, eliminate immediately. So coach ibonile wenzi what, no la ngizokhawatheka kunokuthi ishote, rather ngifake i-attack mhlawumbe ngizodlala ngithatha ugumete ngimise ngapha, maybe put somebody ka-right, we used to ukuthi he must stay, and for sure ngiyibonile iqiniba kanjalo. And i-goal le AmaZulu it's offside, it's offside inkuleko noma ngabe slightly clear offside le, but the goalkeeper le bhola abaliphantshanga ngeshot, i-6 area i-position yakho le, i-area yakho unezandla, abanye abantwana they can't jump ngesandla zabo. Wa ungaphumanga because nange-Chippa United uyenzile le goal bengitshela le throw in baliflika, and then la kuba ku-6 area walibukela, and then it was a goal. So iliphi goal ozolivimba wena elapha ku-6 area? Every time alifika ku-6 area siyaconsider ulimaza abanye abantwana spirit. I mean the game i-Chiefs bengayiwina ngayi 1-0. I'm not saying they deserve. Kunama game goalkeeper need to play a part. That's why asepalini. But namhlanje wenzele yanto ku-Chippa United, and also akusi-Chippa nange-Tuks Galaxy uyenzile. Ibhola
He
ku-6
doesn't
area.
have a command in the 6th.
I mean mawuzo consider his experience Price Vim Access ubiziwe kubafana abayi-third choice naku-criminal ubizile, ngikhuluma ku-national team is compete against the best goalkeepers experience. Manje bekumele ngabe sibona the best of him. Age kuleyo age manje.
I don't think that he would be a goalkeeper in any other team ku PSL. I don't think khona team ku DStv Premiership engamthenga. That's why I'm wondering why Chiefs is persisting with him.
Yeah, lenta yenzile, especially he keep on doing it.
Yeah.
Lenta hlala yenza iyamlimaza i-reputation yakho, right? Amanye ama-team when they watch, especially mawudlala i-danger ukuthi mawudlala ungayithatha ngathi I'm given a chance, ikayi-2 yaku-expose.
Yeah.
You're gonna do well or expose you. AmaZulu kule game bona nabo mawungachecka yiko ngithi i-game is more deserve it draw. Because bebangana creativity now. Ben Mutswari, umopara i-career yakhe yonke. Noma ngabe uyadlala position, is plays as center back. right center back noma ngabe sometimes ka left because it's good, or right back. So mamisa lapha is not going to be comfortable. He's good at kicking the ball, uzolisupporta na, and unayo vision yokuthola laba bantu na, ngoba makadlala lapha uBen Mutswari mabadlala boyi-2 they will never pass each other, they will play back pass. So shoot their 3 ngeke lithola. Yes, icoach yenze kahle yamaZulu ukufaka uLtswalo, yafaka no Molenga, also pure Hendrik Extien. Not much of Extien like compare game Pirates last time. Not influence sengikhuluma first half, not much. uLutswalo ngibonile makahamba kwinye ku-occupy lesa space, but makaphuma naye i-question ukuthi makale uzokwazi ukudila ne-1v1 because obvious kumele amlandeli i-Chiefs dlala nga-3. I can't deal nge-1v1. Une-hope ukuthi makashaya kube bawini i-corner kick or whatever, set P i-throw-in. Uyenza I think uphume kayi-2 kayi-3 but azange alisebenzise lelo ball. On the box, not much. Makagijimela le uba namshape boxing because uye kumele adlale la. Ngokevar bekudlala yena la. So anga-understand ukuthi i-coach beyenzani. And i-coach yamaZulu angifuna uku-understand i-philosophy yakhe. Angithi is a Spanish Nkululeko, we need to be honest. Ngi-expect ukuthi at least there must be a build up, bese bakwazi ukuthi they get a goal, creating chances and also managing the game.
Dominating the game.
But when I check, he like to play ngama-crosses. He goes wide, this guy. Naye kule game namhlanje go wide, you must crossed. Uyenzile nje game yonke, never change. So strategy sakhe ukuthi
in most games he plays like
in most namhlanje uyenzile open. So igame ye deserve it draw. Not much of creating a chance because of a midfield while ama team way too. They lack creativity. And yes, up front I can't say much because bebanga pass. Mangasho ukuthi Breeze how many times
the only time he did anything was when he scored. Intercept and scored.
Bamkhipile na. And inyama ngali coach Kevin. Umkhipelana umntu mfethu. Umntu is a player. Le ntwana namhla izamile. I mean umkhipelana njengisho namhlanje icoach imkhipeleni umntu. Umntu they tried. He was a vele bekayilahla position because it doesn't get the ball. Mawudlala noSithebe nomthetho, you will never get the ball. Mele uzithola ispace sakho. You run la ibhola likhona and makalithola mbonile it looks like something could happen. And uyenzile ushayiphala umdula kule game. I-impact bekayenza, almost got score. He almost score umfana. So umkhipelani. Miyeke check out Moody. Mkhiphe Moody coach. So I think it was another sub wrong. Mawufaka umfundo Vilakazi. Udlala ngayo Sithebe futhi. Okay, sharp. Udlala ngoSithebe ufaka umfundo Vilakazi. It doesn't pass forward. Faka nalo mfana uZwane. Lo mfana yazi mina icoach engicela lo mfana lo Zwane on the bench. Can you give him a chance ama games waphela? I mean, bona boZwane.
There's 2 matches left.
Yes, coach. Kule 2 game, I'm bleeding to him. Give this boy a chance. Uba noma ngabe uyamfaka uVilakazi so that alithola ibhola because noma ngamfaka ngeke alithola ibhola from the midfield now. So deserve a draw. They look like both teams khona into abayenzayo but not much Nkululeko, creativity bengekho. Passing sideways, playing around la middle, nothing ukuthi sifuna ukora. Bengana ending product.
Thank you. Siyabulela kumfoka Khanye. Akhona amaxesha xa sibukela iKaizer Chiefs uqonda ba ulinde nje ubumdlalo uphela like kuncenceza nje ixesha ujonga ndoba izawude iphele nini le game. Naxa ukushoot ivideo ngayo iKaizer Chiefs uvele you can't wait for the videos to end because akho into ngako yothetha ngayo. iWest kaMaZulu ke shem nalomqeqeshi wabo ingathi uyi-adoptile Spain ayingowase Spain. Nabo Fabregas befumana ipromotion eItaly. Nabo Xabi Alonso be-unbeaten eGermany. Yabo Bayer Leverkusen nenansika ngibani omnye umqeqeshi waseSpain uGuardiola naye zinkosi abaqeqeshi baseSpain zinkosi. Then sifumana abantu thina abazi second hand izilabs zaseSpain second hand ze-Spanish coaches ezilapha eSouth Africa kungadijaniswa umdlalo uNaye Emery bayadlala eSpain. But ke silapho ke apho sikhoyo number 8 bedlala no number 11 akho into ngako siyibonileyo qenqelekile nje umdlalo wafika ku90 minutes. Angu-1 kwelinye icala yangu-1 kwelinye icala. Mbini ke imidlalo eshiyekileyo kwiKaizer Chiefs babambelele abantu abalandeli babambe imiphefumulo noba bejonge into abazawungena naye emnyango we-top 8. Diski TV, Diski Times also sporting. Thank you for watching us.